Today we're going to show you how to replace your GU steering wheel. First things first, we need to disconnect the battery. Now once the battery is disconnected, it's time to remove the steering wheel. There's two screws located here and here. Both are covered with the plastic clip that you need to remove. These are a T30 anti-tamper Torx bit. You will need the correct tool to remove this. Once you've got both bolts removed, you should be able to remove the airbag forward and then undo the plugs in the back. Once you've got the airbag removed, it's time to use a 19mm socket and undo the steering wheel. Now you can either use a steering wheel puller or most people don't have one. So a little trick is to screw this on a few turns and give a good yank on the steering wheel. By putting the nut on, this means you won't punch yourself in the face with the steering wheel. Remove this plastic panel and undo this earth wire. Once that's done, you're now ready to remove the steering wheel. We need to remove the plastic backing by undoing the 4 screws, and then you'll need to also remove this pad and attach it to the new wheel. Once that's all done, time to refit the steering wheel.